don't smoke OG. Tony don't smoke OG. Tony don't smoke OG. What's up, Tony?
Hey, Chip. How's it going?
Oh, good morning, man. I'm here for Wake and Bake today, dude.
A beautiful day.
A beautiful day for it. What kind of weed you got?
I don't got.
Oh, man, you ain't got no weed?
No.
Dude, what is going on here? I don't have any weed either.
We smoked it all already.
Dad.
Well, that's...
Hey,
Dad.
dude.
I-225.
Hey,
Oh.
Dad. What's up, guys?
How's it going, dude?
What, dude, you got any weed?
Dude, I heard you guys from downstairs, and just turns out that I do. I've got the chronic for y'all. So here we go. Let's check it out.
I-225 chronic.
What else we got? You want some of this?
Oh, man.
Oh, nice.
You gotta take some time with it though. You gotta smell it first and enjoy the look, enjoy the smell.
Is this more OG?
It's probably cookie. Or no, it's not. Oh, it is cookies. Yeah.
It's
My bad. That's OG. That's cookies.
All right,
It's
more
just
OG.
It's just that's all we have.
Well, you'll roll it up.
Oh wait,
won't
no,
you?
we got some Angola over here. Yeah, my bad.
Wait a second. We got some Angola Thai.
Yeah.
Yeah, we do.
Where's the Angola Thai? You guys have
It's
been holding out on me.
Fresh.
The Angola Thai crossed with
Dude, is
the
that the
number
latest
7.
crop? That's your latest
That's not
crop?
the latest.
That's not the latest crop?
That stuff takes forever, lasts forever.
How many weeks is it?
It's probably like
100.
100 weeks. 100 weeks. Oh, my
30.
God, dude. Oh, I love Humboldt, dude.
Yeah.
You know, like 30 seconds ago, neither Tony or I had weed. And now you've come in with cookies, OG, and Angola Thai.
Crossed with the 7.
7. Oh, with the Bubba 7. Well, I can't remember the last time we puffed any of this.
here we go.
Must have been like 18 months ago. Oh, man, every time I come back to Humboldt, it is just like I'm floored with how much weed you guys all smoke, how good it all is.
Yeah. I got a date tonight. I'm stoked. Getting hungry.
Oh, you got a...
She's making me dinner.
Is this a new girl?
This is a new girl.
Oh, wow.
She's very beautiful.
So she's trying to press you right now.
Yeah, she's like, because like, I don't know, she's busy this time of the year. And
Being fall in October in Northern California.
correct. And yeah, she called me up, wanted dinner. I said, okay, thank you. You don't even have to do that. I'd rather cook for you. Played that little role. She's like, no, I want to cook for you. So here we are. Come around 6:30, I'll be over there.
That's why you're looking all fresh today. I wanted
sorry,
to
I
say
put a
that
little
to you.
cologne on.
Oh, here, do you want to hit this? Wow, man, this
I'll
is...
taste it.
It's almost tobacco-like.
Yeah.
In this, how thick and oily it is.
It's been curing for a while.
It's not that old.
Yeah, it's not that
that's
old.
even worse. Huh? No.
It's almost 420.
Oh, another 420 in Humboldt. Man, Tony, you're gonna have to come visit me over in Denver and bring some of these crazy long flowering strains with you.
Let's make
They
it
don't
a
have
trip.
anything over there like that?
I can't find it. I'm sure somebody's got it, but I don't know who's got it. If anybody's got it, tell me. Yeah.
I'm sure somebody's growing
Drop us a line at therealdirt.com.
some of the...
Best
you know, they like that Angola Thai has got a little bit of trippiness to it.
Be a part of the circle, bro.
Oh,
dude.
It's more energetic.
The date.
I remember-
Can't be slipping.
You can't be slipping on your date. You got a couple hours, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
6:30.
Well, let me give you. Let me.
Give me some advice.
Let me pass down some advice to you.
Drop some knowledge
I'm
on me,
quite a
bud.
bit older than you.
Okay.
Right. You could.
Let's hear it.
I could be your very older brother, right?
Yeah. I like that. I thought we always was.
All right. let me get some really good dating advice.
Can't wait.
Okay, there's 3 things you need to know. 1, if you can't hold her hand, there's nothing going on, no matter what.
Okay.
It always starts with a handhold.
Always starts with a handhold. If you can't hold her hand.
Before you get her in her neck hold, Always go for the hand first. That way she can't get you in a neck hold.
Don't just go straight for the behind, dude.
Can't just go
Hand hold.
jujitsu on it.
Okay.
Right away.
Okay. There you go. Number 2.
Good stuff.
This is the most important one.
Number 2 is the most important?
No, I'm going to sound awful. I'm going to, on number 2, I'm going to keep it quiet. I'm going to whisper to you off the air. Right, okay. So straight number 3. If you're ever serious about this girl, if this girl's like somebody you're interested in, right, you got to do yourself a favor and go meet Grandma and Mom. They're around. You have to go meet them. If they're not around, you demand photos. Right, because that's what you're going to end up with in 20 or 30 years.
Seriously. Yeah.
Uh-huh. My dad gave me that advice, and it was incredible. Incredible advice for me.
That is good advice. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. They're mean, bitter.
Oh, yeah. They're going to give you the grill. I think Dad, too, is one of the ones you need to meet, not just Grandma and Mom.
Oh, yeah, the whole family. Whole family. Big.
Ultimately,
if
the
her
whole
brother,
family.
you get to the door and he starts giving you noogies because he's got a new brother-in-law or something.
Well, I saw you do
think
that
that's
to
funny.
Dave.
I did. I had to.
A little
Give
different.
that
A
one.
little different. So there's your dating advice.
That's good. I'm
Wow.
going to dwell on that for a little
John,
bit.
we'll talk about number 2 later on.
Okay.
Right.
Sounds good.
Right. And that's some great advice from my grandpa Werner.
Bless his heart.
Wow, man, this is a great
Smoky
weed.
in
It smokes thick.
Smoky in here, man.
Oh
I
yeah,
got a
man,
window
this type
open.
of shit would set off the fire alarm, wouldn't it?
Straight. We're hot boxing the place.
We're hotboxing the place, man.
Okay, roof's open.
So,
Thank you. Thank you,
Wow.
Father.
Tasty man, what are you thinking? What do you think? How many leaves on this one?
Leaves?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, man.
We
I don't
got
know.
super stoned on just a few hits.
Yeah.
The
Right.
joint's only 3/4 of the way down. This shit is strong.
We just noticed that it's smoky in here.
right.
It's like Cheech
I don't
and
know.
Chong.
Yeah.
I mean, it's got the thing is like the flavor isn't the best.
Right, it's old weed.
It's a little
Old
older.
weed.
It's not terribly old.
But it's ashes smooth, it smokes smooth and so high.
Yeah.
God
For old
damn.
weed, it's still pretty good.
Happy 420.
It'd be hard to say that this wasn't anything other than some of the world's greatest marijuana.
At one time,
You know,
probably.
yeah.
No.
Right.
Agreed.
Wow, this is one of those hard ones because it really gets between a 3 and a 5. I guess that makes it a solid 4, huh?
Yeah,
Somewhere.
that would be correct.
Right.
Correctly
I
mathematic.
mean, 3 and a 5.
I would say.
Wow,
Yeah.
another high rating by us here. Usually we don't get that high.
You're welcome.
Usually we get higher.
If it smokes good, I mean, smokability, to me, it's all good, just different.
No, man.
It's always, I've been saying that since the
He's just
early
being
or
polite.
late 60s.
Some of that shit's just fucking bad.
Yeah, that's true.
It's all good, just different.
Well, I mean, the stuff he grows is all good, just different.
There
Not-
you go.
some
Okay.
people-
Yeah, definitely there's bad growers that don't know what the hell they're doing, and that's a whole nother thing. We could talk about that later. But if it's from a good grower, it's all good, just different. That's what I believe.
Yeah.
I mean, this is a proof of it. This was a random seed that I found in a bud. One seed, planted it, it grew into a female, and it's good. Just
like-
different.
Right. There you go. That's what we strive for. Good, just different.
I didn't,
Good and
I didn't
different.
pick it out of 100 seedlings or plants.
Yeah,
or
try out a
finding
bunch of
the
them.
right pheno or
No,
whatever.
it's just luck. It was
Sometimes,
just
yeah,
luck.
that's luck. For
Oh
sure.
yeah, man.
And
we've
I
seen
think
it
it's
happen,
that way
dude.
with everything. If you grow it right, it should be pretty freaking good.
Oh man, like that purple Trainwreck. We know people that planted out hundreds and hundreds of seeds of that stuff over time and
Right.
never found the one, and then randomly somebody planted out a 10-pack and found it.
Yeah.
Right, and like
ding.
now,
Totally
and that's the
special
clone. Yeah, it's a
It's like
special
winning the
one.
lottery.
Yeah, but
It's like the cherry slider.
cherry slider,
Totally.
right? Another great one.
Right. I won the cup with that one time.
Oh, yeah,
And
yeah,
that
that's
was like, if you grow it right, it grows and blooms into this thing that nobody's ever seen before, and everybody was like, "How the hell did you get it to do this?"
All the ladies love
No,
it.
that's a cup pleaser. I think I also won a cup or two, or placed
the
in a cup
slider.
or two with the slider. Totally.
I changed the name to All the Ladies Love It
Yeah,
because
the
all the
ladies
ladies
do
love
love
it.
All the ladies love it.
they do love it.
It's a good,
All the ladies do
it's
love
a
it.
good mellow,
Cherry
like
slider.
limey color, but has like just a depth to it that
And if you get it right, it has that glazed donut flavor.
yeah. And
That's-
look, it's frosty,
and it's
tight up.
fuely flavored too. It's got that fuel
It's like
aftertasty, coaty
almost
mouth.
like a gassy foo cologne kind of.
It's got that weird bud structure, though. If you notice that, it's almost hollow on the inside.
Yeah, kind of like a
Right.
diesel almost sometimes.
I've had it where it just all glues together and is like one big gob of goo. There's so many trichomes on it that it just all sticks together and forms this lumpy mass that,
Right.
like, that's what I entered into the cup that time. That one,
Right. Right.
It was just this.
It was a weird vegger too, right?
It was
Something
glazed
weird
donuts.
about
You
it.
probably let it go like 9 weeks though, yeah.
Yeah, it's an honor.
Yeah, it was at least.
9.5,
I think I
10.
let it go 10 weeks.
Yeah. That's good. It got a good little marinade cure.
Yeah,
Slow
Damn,
roast.
look at that, man.
well matured.
No weed. To
But
weed
it's
talk.
definitely a.
Just a few
The
minutes.
train's coming into the station.